Προσοχή, δεν λέω ότι ο Ολυμπιακός θα κέρδιζε με στη Βαρκελόνη ή θα έπαιρνε ισοπαλία. Αλλά με αυτόν τον τρόπο, ρε φίλε. Δείτε τι λένε ορισμένοι γνωστοί TikTokers για την αποβολή φάντασμα του ΕΣΕ και το penalty εφεύρημα.
The red card and the penalty. Come on, bro. What are we doing here? What are we doing here?
I'm no conspiracy theorist here, but isn't it interesting that every single time Barcelona starts to feel the pinch, a call goes their way? You're telling me the Olympiacos player here gets a second yellow right after Olympiacos got on the board, making the game 2-1. At that point, game on. Casado's gonna fall to the pitch like a little crybaby with his head in his hands, acting like the world's worst thing happened to him when he's the one who should have gotten a card.
This might be the worst decision I think I've ever seen in Champions League history. How this Olympiacos player got a red card for this? I will never know.
Blow me up today about the red card in the Barca game. Let's go, Barca fans. Blow me up today. Because this red card in the Barca game today, the second yellow, is the stupidest second yellow I've ever seen in football.
Και να σου πω ένα μυστικό. Αυτό που έγινε είναι γιατί ο Ολυμπιακός ήθελε να δει πώς είναι να χάνεις με εξάρες από μεγάλες ομάδες. Ξέρετε εσείς για ποιους μιλάω.